Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, we've got some extreme colour in the workshop today. These are two stunning RS3s. They're both in the Kyalami Green. We've actually got a Kyalami Green car on order for a full RS3R conversion later in the year. It's so bright, especially out in the sunshine. A couple of weeks ago, we put some pictures up of two other colours, the Kimura Grey and also the black saloon cars. So yeah, they were both RS3Rs. These particular ones are not in for RS3R conversions. They're in for something a little different. So one of the cars is in for a tracking system. We're doing the full Meta Trak Deadlock. What this means is if the fob is not present, the car won't start. Really good system. It's absolutely critical on cars like this. You've got good security, as you're obviously aware. The other one's actually in for our Power S upgrade, so the ABT Power S upgrade. That's also covered by the 5-cylinder warranty via Europe, so fully warranted via the factory. The 500 horsepower is only available on the RS3R, that's reserved for our top packages. However, the Power S with the 470 is available on its own, so you don't need the wheels, the carbon, whatever. It's also a really nice power upgrade, so not quite as powerful. It comes with the app and everything else, so you can go on, select the different power upgrades as well. But obviously, very fairly priced compared to the full conversion. And I think we'll be doing lots and lots of these in the future as well. So if you like what you see, if you're interested in a tracking system or a power upgrade without a full conversion, best thing to do is get in contact with the team, sales@richterautomotive.co.uk with your vehicle details, and they'll get in touch. We'd love to know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch up in the next video.